Welcome in, ladies and gentlemen, to another day of the Big Three with me, Matty E. Let's jump right in. Number one, a little-known space company is making a lot of noise. Fresh off becoming the first private company to successfully land a craft upright on the moon in March, Firefly Aerospace is lighting up Wall Street. The company, founded by former SpaceX engineer Tom Markusik, started trading on the NASDAQ yesterday with the ticker symbol FLY. Firefly hit a valuation of more than $6 billion in its IPO, 3 times what it earned as a private entity, according to startup data aggregator PitchBook. Firefly boasts an impressive resume. In addition to the historic moon landing, it is the only commercial company to launch a satellite to orbit with just 24-hour notice. The company says its next goal is to place the first U.S. spacecraft on the far side of the moon, possibly by next year. Firefly has come a long way from a tumultuous past, including a bankruptcy in 2017 and a CEO ouster last year, per Reuters. Despite renewed success, the company, however, still expects to incur net losses for the next several years. On the bright side, they're still expected to incur far fewer losses than the Colorado Rockies will in this year alone. Number two, the $8 billion merger between Skydance and Paramount has officially closed. Skydance founder David Ellison announced the news yesterday. The new company, which will trade under the PSky ticker on Wall Street, will go by Paramount, a Skydance Corporation. They stayed up all night thinking of that one. The merger's close came just 2 weeks after it received regulatory approval from the Trump administration. While now a done deal, the path towards that approval was far from smooth sailing, with months of scrutiny and turmoil surrounding the transaction, particularly amid President Trump's legal battle with 60 Minutes, part of Paramount-owned broadcast network CBS, and the fallout from the cancellation of The Late Show with Stephen Colbert. This might seem like a bit of a rocky marriage for Paramount and Skydance, but look at it like this. This is America, and what marriage among us doesn't have some rockiness? Plus, guess which movie studio produced the hit movie, Rocky? Okay, it wasn't either Paramount or Skydance, but that would have been cool. But they did make like 6 Rocky movies, so the point is, not always bad to be Rocky. I better move on. Number 3, Chat GPT's artificial intelligence is now more intelligent. Yesterday, tech giant OpenAI launched GPT-5, an updated version of the AI model behind Chat GPT. The company says the update is better at coding, writing, and answering medical questions. It also promises fewer instances of hallucination and deception of users when it doesn't know how to respond to a question. OpenAI CEO says if GPT-4 was like talking to a college student, this new version will be like talking to an expert with a PhD. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg says he plans to have AI write roughly half of its company's coding next year. Some critics have concerns about AI and its potential to provide wrong information to users. Early GPT-5 reviews are positive, but leave a lot to be desired, just like the plots of most movies these days. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's Big Three. Don't go anywhere. Final look at your forecast coming next.